Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, July 20th, roughly 11 a.m. Just wanted to get on here and give a quick update due to the flash flooding that is expected to occur throughout the rest of the day. We are under a flash flood warning until 2 p.m. If you live along Cookeville, all good, Monterey, that's the flash flooding. As you can probably hear in the background here at the headquarters, it's pouring the rain, and the reason for that is the P-watt values, the precipitable water values for today is really high, up in the 2s, which is unlikely for this time of year. We usually just don't see P-watt values that high. So we continue to have thunderstorms development that's to our northwest, and this is kind of training over the same areas. They're moving from northwest to southeast, and has prompted the flash flood warnings. We're lucky so far. A lot of minor flooding in around the Cookeville area, northern Putnam County, Monterey, so forth. Fentress County's had it a little bit rougher than we have. They've had reports of roads washed out and whatnot. It's not going to be a constant rain for the moment, but when it does rain, it's going to be heavy. Like this shower right here that's affecting us now. It's pretty loud, but other than being loud... Ooh, that scared me. That was close. Other than being a little bit loud and... really heavy rain, no severe threat with it at this moment. We did get a report of some hail from All Good earlier today with the second or third round of storms that came through before this one. Looking back towards the northwest, you see a large area of rain back in here. All this is going to be moving towards us, so it could be a very active day. We are under a flash flood watch until, I believe, noon. Could be extended, may not. We do have a slight risk of severe weather today as well for the area. Damaging winds and hail are the primary concerns, along with flooding. Flooding is the biggest concern that we have at the moment. Could be a few spin up tornadoes, but the chances of that's fairly light. Hoping everything's looking good on the streaming side. It's been a minute since I've streamed anything, but we'll continue to update our Facebook and Twitter pages. So just remember, we are under a flash flood watch until noon, a flash flood warning until 2 p.m. If you live in flood-prone areas, please be weather aware today, as flooding can occur fairly quickly, as we've seen in a few locations this year. Not too long ago, the All Good event was a good example. So if you live in flood-prone areas, stay weather aware. Keep an eye and updated on warnings. If you have any flooding reports and can do so safely, feel free to send them to us on Twitter. All reports sent to us gets relayed to the National Weather Service. That way they can determine the watch's the warnings that they need to issue or statements. So I'm going to get off here. I've got a few more things I got to do throughout the day. We'll continue to... Luckily, I had some lab work done, and I'm waiting on a few things, so I've got the day off. And we'll continue to monitor the weather situation. If any watches are issued from the SPC in regards to the severe thunderstorm threat, we'll post you. And as we receive reports of flooding, I will be sure to share them on our Twitter and Facebook page. But for now, we're going to get off here, grab me a bite to eat, stay dry. It looks like it could be an active day. So